Hi students, welcome back to my Simple Math. This is CPSC 10th grade 6th chapter Triangles. Last video we have done the 6.1 exercise. Before doing 6.2 exercise, you have to learn theorem basic proportionality. Theorem 6.1 basic proportionality theorem. This is very important, many years repeated question. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct point, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So here, if in triangle ABC, that is given in triangle ABC, DE parallel BC. DE parallel BC to prove AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. For getting to prove, we can do some extra construction. So construction here, we can see these dotted lines. That's all extra construction. Join BE and CD. Then next draw EN perpendicular AD and DM perpendicular AE. So then let us start the proof of this theorem. Here let us start proof. Consider triangle ADE in the figure. AD as base. We can do consider triangle ADE as base. We will get area of ADE. There we know there is an altitude. When AD as the base, altitude we will select as EN. So area of triangle ADE is equal to half into AD into NE or EN. Okay. So then next we can write BDE. This triangle also we will take altitude as NE itself, because you know some triangles we can draw altitude only through exterior. Okay. So we will write area of triangle BDE is equal to half into BD into NE. Let us divide these two. Area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle BDE, which is equal to half into AD into NE divided by half into BD or DB. We can write BD or DB. DB into NE. So NE cancel, half cancel. We will get AD by DB. So we can write equation number 1. Area of triangle ADE divided by area of BDE is equal to AD by DB, which is equation number 1. So next we can select again the second part of that, AE as the base and EC as the base. So area of triangle ADE, AE as base. When AE as base, MD will be the altitude. So half into AE into MD. Okay, in bracket if you need you can write AE as base. So we will get MD. The next is DEC, area of triangle DEC is equal to half into EC into same like exterior altitude, we will get it MD. Then we will divide this area of ADE divided by area of DEC is equal to half into AE into MD divided by half into EC into MD, which is equal to MD cancel, half cancel, AE by EC. So here we got area of AD by area of BDE is equal to AD by DB, and area of ADE by DEC is equal to AE by EC. Equation 1 and 2. You can see equation 1 and 2 LHS part numerator ADE, but denominators are different. If denominators are same, we will get next step itself. If LHS are same, RHS will be same, right? But we can think about area of BDE and DEC. You see in the figure BDE and DEC. We can see there what is DE as common base and DE parallel BC. So we can write by ninth standard you have learned, if there is a common base and between same parallels, their area will be equal. So we can write area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle DEC. Reason between common base DE and DE parallel BC. That's the reason. So this is, we can give it as equation number 3. So from 1, 2 and 3 we will get, you see LHS are same. You understand from the third equation LHS of 1 and 2 are same. So we will get AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Hence the proof. This is basic proportionality theorem from the given triangle. You know it is given DE parallel BC. If DE parallel BC, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Hence the proof. Thank you. Thank you for watching.